In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method on Hostgator in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're looking to update your billing information or simply want to manage your payment options, removing an outdated payment method is a fundamental task that can help keep your account organized. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by going to the Hostgator website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in Hostgator, or directly visit hostgator.com. Once you are on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent sign in button, usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and then hit the sign in button to access your account dashboard. For those of you who may have forgotten your password, there's typically a forgot password link to help you reset it easily. After successfully logging in, you'll want to navigate to the Hostgator home section. This is your main account view, and from here you'll manage different aspects of your hosting, including billing. Find the profile option within the menu. It's relatively straightforward to locate, usually towards the left side of your dashboard. Click on Profile, and this will take you to a section where you have a variety of account settings at your disposal. Next up, look for My Payment Methods. Clicking on this will allow you to view and manage any payment methods that are currently linked to your Hostgator account. This is where you can update, add, or in our case, delete a payment method. It's important to ensure you have an alternative payment method set up if necessary, especially if you're actively using Hostgator services. Once you're in the My Payment Methods section, you'll see the payment methods on file. Find the method you wish to remove, and you will typically spot an Edit button adjacent to it. Clicking this button will take you to a page where you can make changes to your payment information. Finally, to remove the payment method, within the edit options you should find an option to delete the payment method. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This step is crucial in ensuring the payment method is removed securely. It's always a good idea to double check that the payment method is no longer listed on your account to avoid any confusion later on. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to remove a payment method from your Hostgator account. Always keep your payment information up to date to avoid any service interruptions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to guides.